welcome to Artyshils Art Academy and welcome to this brand new class with me, your host Shilpa, Lalit, and
I'm Vinita.
Yes, I'm so excited to have you, Vinita, over here. Vinita is a very amazing, talented watercolor artist, and this is how we planned this amazing collaboration, because in this academy most of the paintings that you've seen till now are acrylic paintings, but in this collaboration or in this workshop we are going to take you in two amazing different directions of learning, and we are going to be creating these absolutely beautiful flowers with Vinita and me.
Alright, so what's different about this class is that we're going to explore the florals in two different mediums. So acrylics, as you know, we have our expert here, and I'm going to be sharing all the techniques, same flowers in watercolor. So you'll be painting the same four subjects in two separate mediums, and you'll get to know the magic of watercolors along with all the beauty of acrylics here.
So if that sounds fun to you, if you've ever wanted to try acrylics and if you've ever also wanted to paint in watercolor, then this class is for you. You just have to join in and get started painting with us these amazing flowers in two different mediums.
And this class is beginner friendly, so even if you are new to acrylics or watercolors as a medium, we're going to go through all the basics that are needed to get started, and we'll also be covering all the materials we are using, and you don't need anything fancy here. You can get started with the very bare minimum materials, and we'll explore the basics of both the mediums together and learn how they differ. I mean, watercolor has its own life, acrylics is so forgiving, and there are so many differences that make these two mediums so beautiful. So we're going to try it out in both the mediums. We're going to try these subjects. We are going to break it down step by step, so everything will be super easy and super fun.
And I would like to add over here that the entire workshop, right from learning watercolors to learning acrylics, everything is taught in extreme detail. So by the time you reach the end of this class, you will not only have a hang of how to use acrylics in creating these wonderful flowers, but you will also have complete knowledge about how to use the watercolor paints as well to create these flowers.
And the techniques that you learn in this class can be used outside these four projects that we're going to share as well. So you can pick up any picture that you want of flowers or anything in general, because we're going to go over composition and everything, and you can just pick up any topic and you can try playing with both these mediums. You can see how beautifully you can create the same subject in two different mediums.
So yes, I am super excited to take you through the entire journey of painting acrylics with me,
and I'm super excited to have you in the watercolor journey as well.
And we can't wait to see what you create from this class. So without taking any more of your time,
Let's get started.
yay! So see you further in the class.